Today we are going to learn a mobile app within 10 minutes. I will try to finish the screen what you are. So we are trying to make a very much similar app within 10 minutes. So without any ado, let's get started. So we will start here online editor. So I will give this URL on the description. Even you can start. Alright, so we can import the library. First thing, we can import the library from React library from React. So import React from React. So in this case, we will import all the things. Okay, so now we will import a couple of things from React Native. So import style sheet, text, view, safe area view, section list, status var from React Native. So we are going to use all these in our project. That's why we imported this. Okay, so now we will take one constant data. This will be a constant data to display in our screen. So this will be array. So we are taking an array and creating one object, and here taking as a title, and in title we will take main dish. So main dish came here, and then in the main dish we'll take data, and in that data we will give list of the dish, so like pizza and other things. So we have taken these three things. Okay, now we'll close that. Similarly, we'll take other title for side. Okay, so we are taking other title for now we'll take create some data. It will be similar, so we'll take french fries and other things. Okay, so now we close this. Similarly, we will take other things for drinks, and then we will take some item for drinks, and then we will like dessert. So this will be the last, and then we'll close that. Okay, so we have taken this static data. All right, so fine. Okay, so now closing this, and afterward we will take one constant item. So define constant item equals to parameter title, and to create a function, and inside that function we will take view. So view, and we will create a style for the item. So created a style for the item. Inside this we will take text and bind the title, having some style sheet with the item. So text, style sheet, title, and then we are binding this title over and closing the self tag. Okay, so now this is done. We'll close the view and close the function. Okay, so now we'll take another thing called app. So const app, and we will take function here, and then here we will take like safe area view to display everything inside this. So safe area view, then we'll take a style as a container, then style the container, and then we will move for closing it, and then we will take one section list. We need to take a section list. So taking section list, and in this section list we will take sections data. So here section data. Now we will take key extractor. So we are taking key extractor. Inside that key extractor we will pass item and index, and then we will item index. So taking item plus index. So this is done. Okay, till here. Now we will render the item. So we have to render the item, render item, and inside that we'll pass item function, and then we'll take item title as a item. So we'll take item, okay, then title, and then we'll bind the item over here. Okay, so till now it's there. Now we will take a render section header. So it's a section header, render section header we have taken. Inside that section header we will bind the section, and in that section we'll assign the value title. Okay, so now this is done, and here we will take one text to display title inside that. So text, create some style, so style dot header, and we'll close this. Okay, so inside this we'll take title and closing the tag. Fine, now we'll close the function, and here we close the function and close the tag for safe area view. So we are closing this, sorry, section list. We close the for section list and then safe area view. Okay, so we closed it and we'll close the main function. All right, so till now here it's done, and we can notice here we got some exception, I mean error for a style. So we'll create a style for that. Now we will go here. By the time we will do in preview also, so how it's looking through that, it will, because it will take some time to position waiting. Okay, so we'll create constant and then a style, sorry, yeah, styles, then a style sheet we will import from a style sheet and create. Inside that we will take container, this is a container class, first one, and we will set flags 1. Okay, so we set, and then we will define like padding top. Okay, padding top, status bar we have taken. Okay, then current height we will take, and afterward we close this. Margin horizontal will take 16, and then we'll close. Fine, now we will take 4 item. So here the creating item, see we are having some exception over here because this is not fully completed. So I'll try to finish as soon as possible. So we'll set here item background color, we take some color. Okay, now we'll set padding 20, and then margin vertical we will give 8. So here 8. Okay, we will create one more for header. So header, okay, so font size will be 32. Okay, background white. Okay, and the last one is title. So we're creating for title, and font size we are taking like 24. Okay, so here style sheet is finished. We'll close the function and close it. Now after closing this we must export that function because here no default export, so we need to export this. Export default app and close it. Now hope so it will come. Yeah, see here, you can see the result. Within 10 minutes I finished, and yeah, so all the things whatever we have displayed here, it's came. Suppose we are changing here like rice, then it will come here as rice. See here, it's refreshed immediately. So thanks for watching, and I finished. I try my best to finish within 10 minutes, and I did it. I really happy. So please, if you like this video, subscribe it and like it. I really appreciate for watching this video. Thank you so much.